Bone fractures are one of the commonest injuries that patients suffer, and my research is on the improvement of fracture fixations and how people can get the best treatment. We are working on two areas. The first is on the design and development of innovative implants that will fix the bone well, and the second is on how to enhance the fracture union with the use of biomaterials. We have developed an innovative screw design in fixing osteoporotic bones. The current designs, they are sometimes too rigid and the bones may break too easily. And our preliminary results shows a marked improvement over conventional implants.
Professor Frankie Leung is a world-renowned expert in the field of orthopedic trauma. He has done a lot of research and brought Hong Kong to the international stage. Moreover, he's a very keen educator, and he's been training many young doctors, including myself.
I would like to thank the late Dr. Tam Sai-Kit and his family for establishing this endowment at the Department of Orthopaedics and Traumatology. I will use the endowment to support my research in improvement of fracture fixations. I hope my work can benefit patients suffering from bone fractures all around the world.